The ErgoPlus SprayJet module's operating concept includes a fully automatic cleaning program which ensures that the lines and valves are thoroughly cleaned. A few menu settings are all that is needed to start the program. First of all, the required number of cleaning cycles is selected in accordance with the degree of soiling. If required, individual system sections alone can be selected for cleaning via the separately controlled circuits. At the push of a button, a preservative can be added to the final cleaning cycle to prevent emulsion from sticking to lines, valves, and pumps. Press play to start the program. Any residual bitumen emulsion is returned to the tank with a blast of compressed air. The time required for the cleaning process can be read off on the display. If the Fögele SprayJet module is not required for a longer period of time, the spray nozzles can be opened at the push of a button and cleaned with a blast of air at a suitable point.